welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glow Princess, and I'm back at it again with another video. And the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is from Ishow hair. You guys are probably familiar with them because I've reviewed them before. The wig that I'll be showing you guys from them today is their Brazilian lace front wig. It's 24 inch. This wig is their 10A grade hair. No shedding, no tangles. The density is 150%. Also, you can dye and color this hair. So when you receive your wig, it will come in this box that just says Ishow hair in the front. Inside the box, you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find this little hair headband thingy to keep your edges nice and sleek, and a wig cap and some lashes. First thing I gotta say is this hair is really soft. They were not lying. Really soft. The wig is also nice and full. It's kind of heavy. It's so long, you guys. I haven't done 24 inches in so long, so it's gonna feel really good to have long hair. They weren't lying when they said it wasn't gonna be no tangles, no shedding, because I'm not experiencing any right now. This is what the lace looks like. It comes with baby hairs and it's like slightly plucked. It's a free part, so you can part it wherever you want to. This is what it looks like on the inside. It comes with 4 combs, and it also has adjustable straps on the bottom. But yeah, this hair is really soft, I would say, and the pattern is so pretty. I mean, it was prettier, but I just messed it up. I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off, you guys, and try her on so we can see what she looks like on my big ass head. So this is what the wig looks like on. It looks so pretty. The wig is very full, even though it's only 150% density. This is really full. It doesn't really feel heavy. It looks so freaking bomb. If you guys purchase this wig, I definitely recommend plucking the frontal some more so it can look more realistic and, like, you know, but y'all know I'm not gonna do that because our man is lazy. I'm about to go ahead and finish styling this wig. CJ knows. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It turned out really bomb. All I have to say is the hair is so bomb, you guys. Super soft, easy to curl. The wig is nice and full. It comes plugged with baby hairs, and also this wig is very affordable. Honestly, I feel like you can't go wrong with this wig. I did some loose wand curls. They're kind of like dropping right now because it's so hot, you guys. It's currently like 100 degrees in Maryland. I'm not even lying, it's 100 degrees. So my makeup is literally sweating, my hair, my curls are dropping, so I can't really control that. As you guys can see, their hair is really bomb, you guys. I'm in love with it. So if you're also interested in this wig, make sure you check out Ishow hair. I will leave their link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.